Hey beauties, welcome and welcome back to another video. In today's video we are going to be making a super hydrating leave-in conditioner if you're experiencing severe dryness and as a result of that you're suffering from hair breakage. All you just need is this simple leave-in conditioner. So if you're new to the channel, please kindly subscribe and turn on your post notification. To begin, we are going to be using fresh aloe vera. So if you experience a lot of scalp irritation each time you use aloe vera, all you just have to do is to soak your aloe vera in water overnight. The next day you strain out the water and just go ahead to extract your aloe vera gel. Trust me guys, this method works perfectly well. Like I usually used to experience a lot of scalp irritation each time I use aloe vera, but with this method it has been working excellently well for me, so I don't have to worry about itchy scalp after using fresh aloe vera. So over here I'm extracting my aloe vera gel. Aloe vera has many active ingredients and minerals that help strengthen our hair. It has fatty acid, amino acid, and is rich in vitamin A, vitamin B12, vitamin C, and vitamin E. Those vitamins play a vital role in creating a healthy hair follicles, which in turn promotes healthy hair growth. It also offers protection from ultraviolet radiation that come from the sun. Ultraviolet exposure can cause our hair to lose its shine, its natural color, and also make our hair rough and less elastic, which causes hair breakage. So if you're suffering from excessive hair breakage, split ends, your hair is always dry, you're suffering from scalp psoriasis, alopecia, you want to include aloe vera in your hair care routine. You can make a hairspray with aloe vera. You can make a leave-in conditioner like this one we are making in this video, or you can as well make your aloe vera oil and use it, and you're going to see amazing results. So after extracting my gel, I went ahead to pour the aloe vera gel into my blender, and I'm just going to blend without adding any water because I don't want to mess with the consistency of my aloe vera. So always ensure to strain your aloe vera before using it because you don't want to end up with particles on your hair. So guys, this is what it looks like after straining. You can see we still have that jelly consistency. That's because I did not add any water to my mixture. And guys, our second ingredient is this OG. Like a lot of us from Africa can actually swear by this virgin hair fertilizer to help us grow our hair. Like back in high school, I used to use this a lot. Like it was my favorite hair treatment and it really helped me to grow my hair and made my hair very dark. But for some reason, I just stopped using it because I couldn't get the original one. And recently, I found an online store that I always order the original one, and I've been loving it. It helps with hair growth. It helps to treat dandruff. If you've used this before, leave it in the comment section. Let me know. So guys, I just took a generous amount of the virgin hair fertilizer and I just used a double boiling method to melt it, and after that I pour in my aloe vera, and then I had this leave-in conditioner at home that I did not like the consistency. It was too thick, so I just kind of just mixed everything together and I went in with my hand mixer to completely blend in everything together, and this is what we have. It is so creamy, it is so hydrating, and guys, your hair is going to love this. My hair really loved this. It made my detangling process so easy, and trust me guys, you're definitely going to find this super useful. So when you're making this, ensure to make a little that will last you for a day or two, because this has no preservative and it's going to go bad without adding preservative to it. Like I said earlier, just make a little to last you for a day or two. This particular batch here was just for a day. I use it to detangle my hair because my hair is really very thick, so this is just all that I will be using for this particular detangling. And if I want to use it again, I'm just going to go ahead and make it. I mean, it's so easy to make. I have aloe vera plants in my garden and everything is just within my reach, so I can always make it every time I want to use it. If you've watched to this point, please kindly click on the like button, and if you're watching for the first time, kindly join the family by clicking on the red subscribe button, and also remember to click on the post notification bell so you'll be notified when there's a new video on the channel. And guys, don't go away because I'm going to be showing you how to use this leave-in conditioner to detangle your hair. This is going to make your hair so soft. It's going to make your hair more manageable, and most importantly, this is going to stop hair breakage. It's going to help you promote thicker and longer hair, and you're just going to find this very helpful. Just take a good look at this, guys. It's giving everything a leave-in conditioner should give. So for easy application, I put my hair in 3 sections and I work my way right from the ends to my roots, and I just gently go in with my detangling brush to gently brush my hair. You can see I wasn't forcing the brush because my hair was actually very soft at this point. So I just brush my hair, then I go ahead to twist it up, and I just repeat the same application method for the rest of my hair, guys. And this is so simple. It left my hair feeling super soft throughout the whole day till the next day. I didn't have to moisturize my hair again the next day because my hair was still very soft, guys. So this leave-in conditioner is not what you should sleep on. Kindly just try it out and let me know what you think about it in the comment section. Look at my hair, guys. Can you see how soft? Can you see how my hand is going right in and out? Like, this left my hair super soft and bouncy, and I really love this. Do let me know when you try this out, and thank you so much for watching to this point. Till I see you all in my next. Bye guys.